This step is about our core technology. Step 3, coloring. For this process, we developed the DyeMansion DM60 coloring unit and the deep dye coloring process, using high temperature and pressure to infiltrate the material with color. It is a clean and user-friendly process using color cartridges in 4 different sizes for different batch volumes and any color of your choice. To make a rather complex process easy and user-friendly, but also Industry 4.0 ready, we place RFID chips on any color cartridge. These RFID chips save information about the material, the batch size or the volume, the surface, and of course the color. These parameters also give us the possibility to adjust the color for your material and surface. All you have to do is select the color cartridge according to your batch size and of course color, and scan it on the DM60 to transmit all process relevant information to the system. Everything else then happens automated. With this process you have endless color options. By endless, I mean, for example, 170 RAL colors, specific colors for the automotive industry, and the possibility to match every other color of choice. Let me give you some numbers. If we again think of this mid-sized sample part here and a batch size of 100 and a used color cartridge in size L, we calculated costs per part and run of only €1.10.